Kami ba kayo sa ano?
Sige, sige.
The road to success, it's not a walk in the park. There are bumps and bruises in the dark, but I keep moving step by step. I'll reach the top, I won't accept defeat. I work hard day and night. I study the game with all my might. I'll learn from my mistakes, make it right, and claim my place in the spotlight. The road to success, it's a long haul, but I'll never fall. I'll stand tall. I'll overcome every obstacle. The road to success, I'll prevail. The competition's tough, but I'm ready to fight. I'll use my skills to take flight. I'll break the barriers, reach new heights, and make my mark in this endless night. I'll never give up, no matter the cost. I'll keep pushing on till I'm at the top. The road to success, it's my destiny. I'll achieve my dreams, set them free. The road to success, it's a long